Ayo, ayo, waka waka, tasteless. Ayong I'm Rulo All This Channel. So for today's video, nandito pa rin tayo sa Bangkok, Thailand. So pupunta tayo ng Pattaya. Yan, magbe-beach tayo tapos mag-elephant sanctuary.
So we're going in Pattaya.
Yeah.
This is our fourth day or third
Yeah.
day.
So yun guys, nandito na tayo. Wow.
Maganda weekdays talaga tayo pumunta.
Oo. Weekdays wala ganun tao.
Good that.
Guys, ito yung ano nila. For adult, 208 baht. Tapos ito yung mga gagawin. Feed, swim,
You can
busy.
make food for elephant, feeding elephant, go to walk.
Yeah. So,
I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Tak, the Jungle Lady, your tour guide. That is my student. So, have one elephant baby, you have to be careful of them, okay? Because Frankie, 10 years old, they are moving so fast and running many times. Always be aware of your surrounding. After play the water with the elephant, we have to go in the jungle. We walk over there, go back there, and to feed the elephant, okay? Okay, let's go.
okay. Let's do it. Ayun na sila.
พี่ต้องพูดอะไรยังไงใช่ไหมคะ
Wow.
ในเมื่อต่อเมื่อลูกค้ากำลังพูด
Taking the bag.
นั่นมาฟังนี่
Okay.
Maganda siya. 1, 2, 3.
เดี๋ยวเราไปล้างไปหน่อย Let's do the flower.
Give you the flower.
Flower from him.
The flower, yeah. That's the flower.
Yeah, exactly.
Lucky I-
We rescue her too long time ago. This one we rescue her 1 year ago. And this one 10 years ago. Look at this. Because we have veterinarian, we have food, we have the vitamin. Yeah, very nice.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ito yung isa.
Nangangatis siya.
Yeah, more.
So guys, tapos na kami papudang dito. French fries. Ay, hindi sila nagkakain. So yun guys, dito tayo sa Jumitan Beach. Ayan, tanghali pa lang. Maya-maya tayo swimming at mag-ikot-ikot. Tikman natin ice cream nila dito. Ito, Thailand, tingnan mga sa akin. Oh.
Same.
100 baht for 3. Ito.
Fried squid in Pattaya. Taste this.
Chewy.
Sarap. Lasa siyang ano,
Squid.
squid. Yan, sarap. Ang anghang na sauce.
Guys, hintayin natin yung sunset dito. I love the view. You're my view. Waka waka, samina mina, what is it, Africa? Samina din. Makikita nyo dyan, guys.
Yung dagat.
Yung dagat. Hindi siya gano'ng kaninaw. Tapos brown yung sand. Tapos yung mga hotel. Tapos meron dito mga nagbabanana boats, jet ski.
Tsaka may tawag doon yung parang lumilipad sila doon. Parang ano, remember yun.
At pa-sunset na. Tapos itong nagbibideo, ayaw maligo. Kakatapos ko lang shower. Ito yung dalawa. Ay.
Pagod na.
So guys, gabi na sa Homington. Ayan ang area nila. Marabura kayo mga tao. More on stall.
Alam niyo ba, lagi kami na pagkakamalang Thailander.
Thailander.
Thailander yarn. Sawadee ka! Kapok ka!
Dito tayo kakain. Ito guys yung akin, carbonara. Ito na siya guys, ang daming serving.
Lagay pa ka na.
9 out of 10. Stop. Blueberry cheesecake. I love it. Tasteless.
Commercial.
Happy.
Sad.
Sad.
Angry.
Sweet potato, purple, kinin. So, ito yung ginamit sa ping-pong show eh. Mga sushi, sashimi, salad. Ayun o, chocolate. So yan. Guys oh. For 25 baht. Mga coffee. 25 baht. Pumpkin chips. For the healthy. Mga atake natin. Sabili kang masarap daw to. Chicken skin, 30 baht. Okay.
One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ay,
Oh,
hindi
no.
talaga siya.
Oh no. For 100 baht, 15 minutes. Why? Ano ba kiramdam?
Tickling. There's a